Okay, so this is the start of our travel vlog to Rome. We've just got down Dublin into the wee travel lodge, which is like right beside the airport. Our room's very bog standard. We've got a single bed, a double bed, bit of a dressing area, and the bathroom is basic, but we're only here until about 4 o'clock in the morning, so it really doesn't matter. But I mean, it was cheap and cheerful, so that's all we can really want. So I think we're gonna go do some shopping, get some food, and just chill a wee bit. We want to kind of be back in the room early because we have to get up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. So we'll probably get like a takeaway or something back here for dinner. So yeah, tomorrow we go to Rome. We should be there for about 10 in the morning because our flight's 6:25. So we will be tired, but we're gonna try to make the most of it because we're there till Monday. So we're going to take you with us and see a wee bit of Rome and have a wee bit of fun on our travels. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Okay, so it is like 10 to 4 in the morning. We are shattered. Our eyes are so sore. I've got up and done basically like full glam to go to the airport. We got up at 3. My eyes are stinging, so giants. So we're going to go down and get the shuttle bus to the airport now. And then we've got about 2 hours to kill, I think, but that's to get through security and stuff. And then we're getting on the plane to go to Rome. So, we just got to Rome. I'm absolutely shattered because we've been up so early. We're waiting on a bus to go into the centre of Rome. And it's like a 20-minute wait, so we're just sitting down. I can't see a thing because it's so sunny, but it's a wee bit chilly. Hopefully you can hear this because we are outside and it's quite busy. So yeah, waiting on a bus. Well, waiting on a bus to take us to a train to take us to the centre to then get a taxi. So that's pretty much the plan for now. And we're really praying our room is ready because it's still quite early. It's like only 11:15 or something, isn't it? So yeah, hoping it's really going to be ready because we're wrecked and just want to put our stuff in and get sorted. So yeah, flight was okay. Hate flying. I don't think that'll ever change, but we're getting sorted. So hopefully see you when we're in our hotel. So we've finally got to our hotel. It was a bit of a struggle, to be honest. We were waiting on a bus, then thought it was the wrong bus, so we went to check, then missed the bus, and then had to wait an hour for a second bus, and then had to get the train, which we didn't really know where we were going either, and then get a taxi, which was a lot of travelling, and with saying we'd been up from 3 o'clock, we were wrecked, but we are just in, so we're going to sort out our luggage and stuff. We're getting really hungry, like we're absolutely starving. We haven't had anything from, what, like 7 this morning? Half a toasty each. We're really close to like the Vatican and stuff, so that's always good. We're going to go get some drinks as well. We've got a wee fridge in our room, so we're going to get drinks and get that sorted as well. Our wee room, it's really small, it's really cute. Like literally, couldn't sing cat in it, that's one wall. That's the other one. And we have no window. You can't open the windows. I think it's in case someone jumps out, not too sure. But definitely can't open the windows. So we have no light in our room apart from the lighting. So it's quite good, at least that we've got half decent lighting. So God knows what way my makeup will be turning up in the mornings. Is that a figure? Vatican. That was a big queue that Ryan just recorded. We just had some lunch. Ryan had pizza and I had carbonara because we couldn't really decide where we wanted to go. It took us that long. So yeah, we're at the Vatican. That's a queue for the museum, so I don't know, that's too long in my book. It's nothing I want to see enough to queue up in the queue. So I think we're just going to have a wee look about for now. And my cousin Matthew has recommended a really nice place for dinner, so I think we're going to go do that later. But for now, we're just going to have a look about here, look at all the buildings and stuff, and kind of do it ourselves because I do not want to stand in that queue. I don't know about you, Ryan, but I am not.
Oh, definitely not. I don't want to waste my whole day standing
not up
in a queue.
for that queue. Like, I don't even know what's in the museum, but I can tell you it's nothing worth waiting in that queue for. So, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do after this. Probably just have it under about to start to get a wee bit later. I think it's like 4 o'clock, half 3, 4. Who knows? So yeah, our hotel's really, really close to the Vatican, so we're going to have a wee nosy about at all the sites and stuff. There's so many dogs in Rome, by the way. I'm just looking at another dog. So many dogs in Rome. 10 out of 10 recommend Rome, just for the dogs alone. So yeah, we'll take you wherever we go next, but we do not have a clue what we're doing. So just on the Vatican. Oh, we don't actually know what we're walking down to now, but we're walking to another big building, and it's got a lovely bridge. It's so pretty. The light, the sun is starting to set, so it just looks so nice. So yeah, we've no idea what we're walking to, but we're walking to some big building. All the buildings kind of look like that. Oh yeah, that would be amazing. Okay, so we're actually just ready. Excuse the mess behind us. We've literally just got ready. We're gonna go to the Hard Rock Cafe tonight. I think we both fancy steak, don't we? So I think we're gonna go get steak. Touched up my makeup a wee bit because my makeup was on from 3 AM. I have to say it was still sitting pretty well, but it needed touched up. We got changed and we're drinking as well. Had a few drinks in the hotel already. So now I think we're gonna either walk to the Hard Rock and then see where we're going after that. And going for a few drinks and stuff. Trying to get tomorrow planned as well to see what we're doing, but I'm really not too sure yet, so we'll just have to wait and see. I have my like wee tiny selfie ring light on this. I'm not sure if it's any good or not. I think you can maybe see me a wee bit more compared to when it's off. So that's pretty good that I brought that. So yeah, I don't think we'll vlog when we're out because I think we're going to actually leave the camera in the room. And we're going to be pretty drunk tonight because we've already had quite a few drinks. So maybe it's best that we leave the camera in the room. So yeah, we're going to go get dinner, going to go get drinks. We're wrecked. We still haven't slept and we've been up from 3 AM. So I think the drink's going to hit us pretty hard. But sure, we'll see where the night takes us. And then we're going to try to plan and book stuff for tomorrow as well. So we're going to try to do that before we get any more drunk. Before we end up booking something that we really regret and don't want to go on. So yeah, I think that's just it. Outfit is just jeans, this wee top. I have boots on, heel boots, because basically I forgot my shoes in here and on this trip. So me and Ryan were sitting in Dublin last night and I said to him, I was like, oh, did you pack my shoes? He's like, no, you were supposed to pack them. And I was like, okay, so nobody's packed my boots, so I only have trainers with me and I can't go out in trainers. So ran to Penny's last night down in Dublin, literally like so close to the closing time, wasn't it?
10 minutes.
Yeah, like 10 minutes before they closed, and got these wee boots. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe a wee bit. Wee heel. €5. €5, so can't complain of that. At least I got something because I would feel awful running about in the trainers on a night out when I'm like dressed a wee bit nicer than during the day anyway. As I was saying to Ryan earlier as well, all the girls here are so dressed nice, like fur coats, like all these different scarves and knee-high boots, all this, and I was running about in a pair of leggings and trainers today, but sure, what can you do? Anyways, we shall see you tomorrow. Bye!
If we're not too hungover.
We probably will be hungover, but we're doing something. See you tomorrow. Okay, so day 2, we have just finished getting ready. We've had such a lazy morning, but it's been so nice. We have just completely stood ourselves. Oh, Ryan's got the light. Clip it onto the screen. Yeah, that's better. It's been such a lazy morning and we so needed it after being up so long yesterday. So we just got ready. I think we're going to go do the tour bus today, aren't we, Ryan? The hop on, hop off bus. And go see maybe the Spanish Steps, the fountain again. We went and seen the fountain last night, and it was actually lovely at night, but apparently it's really nice to see during the day as well. So we've got time, so we're going to go do that too. We need to get lunch, and then I think we'll come back to the room to get changed for dinner and stuff, because we're going to go to a really nice wee restaurant tonight that's been recommended by our friends. So yeah, we're going to go and try to get on the hop on hop off bus, which God knows where we're even getting that from. And going to just go. So we're just on at the hop on hop off bus. We're at the top. You can see all the views already. We've literally just got on. Some man staring me out, not too sure why, but that's just Rome. I also had some man standing on my foot earlier, which was not nice. Didn't even apologise. So yeah, we're just on. Everybody's looking at me really funny, but I don't really care because I'm talking to a camera. Exactly. We've got our wee headphones in to listen to everywhere we're going in Rome, and we're just going to jump on, jump off at all different stops. We're going to go get food. I think the first stop we're going to get off, and then the bus comes every 15 minutes anyway, so we're going to do that and try to do it. We're at the Spanish Steps. Well, we were at the very top of them a minute ago, but look at the views up here, and it's stunning. It's absolutely crazy. And literally everything is just so pretty because it's so old. But yeah, I thought like it was just one big row of steps, but it turns out it's like different levels. Like down there's another level of steps, so we're going to go down and check them out. We still have had no food, so we're going to go do that soon too.
My stomach's rumbling.
Yeah, it's starving too. So yeah, we're going to go have a look at the more steps. They're so pretty, there's so many. So we got off the first stop of the bus, and it was a success. Took us a minute to find these, but we still found them.
I have a sore head from the music.
Yeah, the music on the bus in between, like where the woman's speaking, is different. It's like opera or something, I'm not too sure what it is. So yeah, these are the steps. We were here last night, but we decided to come in during the day, and I'm glad we came last night because look at the amount of people here. Like, it was not even half of the people here last night. Like, it was busy, but it wasn't this bad. Well, how pretty is it? Just ready for dinner at 7 minutes past 10. We have got just really drunk in the room, to be honest with you. Polished off the rest of the vodka as we go home tomorrow, so it would have been a waste not to, right? Kind of fixed my makeup a wee bit. Used the new liquid glitters from BH Cosmetics. I was going to show you them, but they're put away. So yeah, I just think they are stunning, so easy to put on. I literally, this is my makeup from today. I literally just like powdered my face and added that glitter, and I'm ready to go. So outfit, very simple but just easy. Oh god, I don't want to taste this. He just poured this drink, so
that's fine.
It's okay. So yeah, we have to leave our room in the morning, but we're going to this wee Italian restaurant. Nothing on the menu is in English, but I suppose that's kind of the fun of it. So it's not too far away. We're going to go there, have some dinner. Again, 10 past 10. Not really dinner, kind of supper, but sure. Played a few card games tonight. Ryan was crap at them. You were. So yeah, we're not going to bring the camera to dinner and stuff because we just want to enjoy our last night having dinner. So this will probably be the last time you see us until tomorrow. Look at the highlight. The highlight I've been wearing this whole trip is Barry M highlighter. I'm obsessed, totally underrated. Mitchell recommended it, and from then I've been obsessed with it. So this is the highlight I've been wearing the whole trip. So we're gonna go tomorrow. We're doing the Coliseum, and yeah, we'll record then definitely. We're gonna do the Coliseum. We're doing a guided tour with an English tour guide and stuff. Q strip. What? Q.
What are you trying to say? Q jump?
Q skip. Q skip. Jesus Christ.
How many vlogs?
Q. Half a litre. Q skip to the front of the queue, which apparently is a must because the queues are ridiculous. So yeah, we'll record them, but until then, we will be enjoying our night, and you enjoy yours. Hopefully we don't get knocked down here. So we're just walking along. We're going to go to the Coliseum today. However, we have checked out and stuff of the hotel. We were supposed to check out at 10 o'clock, but I thought that was way too early. So what time did we leave the room at? 10 past 11. So that's fine. We didn't actually get up till 10, and I got fully ready, including packed. Well, Ryan packed for me. By 10 past 11, so I was pretty happy with that. So we're going to the Coliseum now. Well, we're going to be quite early. Yeah, because our tour's not until 2 o'clock, so we're going to go get food first, near or on the way anyway, to the Coliseum. I have no idea where we're going. The roads are really bad here, so you could end up breaking your ankles. We've decided we're just going to get a taxi to the airport because we don't want to try to get buses and all. It's going to be a nightmare. So taxi, I think, is the way forward. Rand, do you even know where we're going? So
have I got us lost?
No, not yet. Oh no, you did. Well, not lost. You took us to the wrong place. So yeah, just walking down the street, nearly getting run over by a taxi. But sure. Oh, it actually says don't walk there. Oh. Okay.
To be honest, I don't know. Thank you. Did you read it or did you? Ah, okay.
Look through that. Yeah.
Go and do the ride to this area just to bring the palace was overlooking the Roman Forum. And
okay, so we're back at the hotel after a very long day. We've walked so much. So we're literally just sitting in the wee luggage room, getting changed and stuff because we got soaked. It started raining really heavy earlier, so we got soaked. So now we're going to get a taxi to the airport and then get on our flight to Dublin and then drive home from Dublin to Belfast. So I'm going to quit the vlog here because I'm going to put the camera away and stuff, and we're just tired. I want to just relax for the rest of our journey home. So I hope you enjoyed our vlog to Rome. We had the best time ever. It was so much fun. We done so much walking. So like we ate so much pasta and pizza, but like we 100% walked it all off.
In one day.
In one day, yeah. So yeah, we had a great time, and hopefully you'll thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.